Hello, my name is Yetroselane and I'm the creative director of the Yetroselane brand. At the Yetroselane brand, we are into manufacturing of women's wear, and also we run a fashion academy where we empower youths to become either employable or able to start up their own fashion business. I started out the Yetroselane brand as an undergraduate of Bowen University. I studied computer science and information technology back then in 2005-2009, yes. So that was when it started. I started out by making skirts for myself in school, and then that was how the whole business idea came about. So I started off from there. I started training people that were in my school back then. I started training them, and that was how it started, from 5 staff to 10 to 20, now over 40. As African women, we're very particular about our style, because of our different body shapes, so it's very interesting when somebody comes to you with no idea of what they want to wear, and then giving them that design that makes them just look good. And you see lots of women, they come in, very bothered about probably their shape and all, and then when I style them, give them nice clothes, they feel so good, it boosts their confidence, and that has really kept me, moving, even times when I felt like, no, am I sure I can do this? But seeing that smile on their faces, and also for the academy, the empowerment aspect is just mind-blowing. For the Yetroselane brand, we are very big on the SDGs 5, 8, and 12, 5 being gender equality. Recently, we trained some women from the Foundation for Resilience Empowerment and Development Program. Now they've started making fantastic clothes for themselves. They started sewing for people, So things like this just really gives us that joy, to want to do more. And here we are today, doing what we love to do. In the past 1 year, Yetroselane brand has actually trained over 200 students, and most of this, in fact, all of the students have to go on compulsory internship at a fashion house. And for us at the Yetroselane Garment Factory as well, remember we do like the clothing line and also the fashion academy. This serves as a pool for us to actually empower and employ these people to work for us. The academic coordinator is a product of the Fashion Academy. Our production supervisor is a product of the Fashion Academy as well. Likewise, our sales team members, they are also products of the Fashion Academy as well. And also, beyond just teaching the students how to sew and all that, we also do more at the Fashion Academy. We partner with people, we partner with organizations. We also have a hub where we have other fellow fashion businesses learning how to run the business. Probably they did not start the right way. We have different fashion courses that we take them on. We've partnered with UNDP, that's United Nations Development Program, and LSETF, that's Lagos State Employment Trust Fund, to train students. I think for LSETF, we trained about 151 students for them in the past 1 year. We've also partnered with the FRED that I mentioned earlier. That's under the Spotlight Initiative, where we trained women against violence against women and girls. We've also partnered with GIDI CREATIVES to also train students. I think that's in partnership with LACI as well.
I came in as a student, in fact a beneficiary, but today I can say that things have changed, because I chose a new career, a new path in fashion designing, and that was in 2021. It was a big deal at first, but the academy helped me simplify the journey and make the journey very seamless for me. Today, I'm the academic coordinator for Yetroselane Fashion Academy.
I'm a graduate of Yetroselane Fashion Academy, and I came in through GIDI Creative. We learned for just 2 weeks, and the process was amazing. We learned how to draft and draw patterns for shirts, dresses, pants, and we were able to sew them and do complex sleeves in just 2 weeks. Yetroselane teaches you how to do things that you didn't even know you could do in 2 weeks, because if you go to other fashion schools, they will not be able to teach you that within 2 weeks. But within 2 weeks, we're able to learn that and even more.
I trained at Yetroselane Fashion Academy, and the experience was just so awesome, yes. During the program, yes, we had technical skills and soft skills. The soft skills is top-notch, yes. It really means a lot to me. It develops me in a whole lot of ways, physically and emotionally, yes. I really gained a lot. Yes, and presently in Yetroselane, I serve as an intern. I was given the opportunity to train kids. Yes, kids. I train the kids, youths, and the women there. And presently, I serve as a facilitator in Yetroselane Fashion Academy.
So the Yetroselane brand is very big on SDG 12, which is responsible consumption and production. Because of the nature of our business, which is garment manufacturing, we generate lots of waste. And we had to think of, okay, how do we incorporate circularity model into our business? And we had to bring up the idea of joining all this off-court, together to make fabrics. And from this, we've actually partnered with a couple of other industries, like the furniture industry. They've bought our fabrics to make furnitures. We've made notepads from the fabrics. We've made wine bags. We've made string bags. We've made lots of, souvenirs that you can never think of with this off-court, And that has also created more jobs, new job opportunities, because the people joining those fabrics, we actually had to employ them to join the fabrics. So this is us. This is the Yetroselane brand, and we are looking to more partnerships, more collaborations to be able to build more skilled workers in the fashion industry, and we are waiting for you. Thank you.